Dumpster rentals in Texas. Are you looking for reliable and affordable dumpster rentals in Texas? At ABCDUMP LLC, we provide top-notch waste disposal solutions for all your needs. Whether you're cleaning up after a construction project or decluttering your home, we have a variety of dumpsters to handle any task. Our services are designed to make your job easier, providing convenient, efficient, and cost-effective solutions. No matter the size of your project, we are committed to delivering a hassle-free experience. With ABCDUMP LLC, you can count on fast delivery and pickup services, ensuring your project runs smoothly. Our dumpsters are clean, well-maintained, and ready to be delivered whenever needed. Don't let waste pile up, let us take care of the disposal. We serve all of Texas and are dedicated to customer satisfaction. You can reach us at 682-803-8031 for more information or to schedule your rental. We pride ourselves on being your trusted partner in waste management. At ABCDUMP LLC, we handle it all, so you don't have to. Contact us for dependable dumpster rentals in Texas, and let us make your cleanup easier. ABCDUMP LLC, your waste disposal partner in Texas.